So I never thought that I would be doing a testimonial video. In fact, I didn't think that I would actually need to do a testimonial video for No Nonsense Forex. However, in VP's most recent video, I think now the timing could never be better. So here it goes. So for those that might not know me, my name is Dillon. I am 24 years old and I am from Melbourne, Australia. I'm a civil engineer that works 9 to 5, and outside of my work, I am a prop trader. And of course, you could probably tell as well, I am also just starting this YouTube channel too, which of course documents my journey of one day becoming a successful and professional trader. And you can probably say that it was my 2020 quarantine project. Well, I guess extended quarantine project. However, that is me now. Let's talk about me 2 years ago. So 2 years ago, I was actually trading cryptocurrencies, much different to what I am actually trading now. And looking back at it now, I was a trader that actually had no direction. And I was yet to find a trading strategy that would work for me, that would fit my personality. So just starting out, I would search everywhere on YouTube and on Google, and I would try to find the best trading strategies that I could find. And probably to no surprise, the trading strategies that I found were more or less the same. Support and resistance lines, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and even basic indicator strategies like a MACD crossover, RSI overbought, oversold, or even stochastic crosses. And unfortunately, everything that I did try ended up not working for me. So because of this struggle, I thought that I would need to invest in myself and try to be one step ahead of all the people that are seeking out free content on YouTube. So I thought I would invest in myself and I would buy a couple courses. In fact, the course that was the most expensive was actually around about $2,000, which unfortunately talked to more or less what I have already learned in the free stuff on YouTube. Yes, I got marketed. And unfortunately, with all the trading strategies that I tried, with all the investment that I put forward, I could not find something that actually worked, and I was just about to throw in the towel on trading and give it up. However, I was very fortunate to stumble across No Nonsense Forex just in time. So for those that don't know, No Nonsense Forex is a YouTube channel that is run by somebody named VP. And what makes No Nonsense Forex really good is that it is far different than any other big YouTube channel that I have ever seen. So there are just a few things that I want to touch on. Testing. No Nonsense Forex teaches you how to create a strategy where it forces you to develop, test, refine, and test again, and then go live with a trading strategy that you developed yourself. Discretion. No Nonsense Forex makes you remove as much human interaction with your trading strategies as possible, where what is really beneficial is you don't have to think twice when you're actually putting on a trade. And finally, it is the full package. No Nonsense Forex is only, and I mean the only, big YouTube channel which teaches you everything in a very concise series of videos, not only about the trading strategy itself, but also much more important things such as the money management of a trading strategy, as well as the trading psychology. And in my opinion, as a whole, it is the only YouTube series that you can probably binge watch in one weekend and come from a complete beginner trader to more or less an intermediate trader. And I could probably say that you would be far better than majority of traders out there, particularly if you're just starting off, if you watch this series of videos. And that is because there is so much content in the videos that VP has produced as part of No Nonsense Forex that is really beneficial for beginner traders. And although I had more than a year's experience prior to actually finding No Nonsense Forex, even then I still learnt so much. So what changed? After finding No Nonsense Forex, I actually fell in love with trading, finally. And more specifically, algorithmic trading. I was able to find a trading system that ended up fitting my personality. And from there, I was actually able to find something that I was truly passionate about. And I mean, I've just started a YouTube channel because of it. See, the downfall to my early years as a discretionary trader is that I didn't really enjoy it. I was often watching the lower time frames, trading a strategy that was, of course, untested, or that I actually did not understand. And look, at the end of the day, I was gambling, and trading at the time made me feel uneasy. You see, I like taking timely and calculated trades. I'm an engineer by profession, and the one thing that engineers understand is managing risk. And unfortunately, when I was just starting off with a discretionary trading system, I was not able to achieve that. And this was, at the time, very difficult for me because it didn't fit my personality. However, fortunately enough, I did stumble across No Nonsense Forex, and that did change everything. So please find a trading system that fits your personality and find something that you are truly passionate about. And for myself personally, No Nonsense Forex and algorithmic trading are not going anywhere anytime soon. And finally, another high level important aspect of No Nonsense Forex is that it has taught me the importance of testing and the importance of finding an actual strategy that works for you. Now, what I value about No Nonsense Forex is that the way it's structured, it's not an out-of-the-box trading system where VP gives you the foundation of a trading system, but he doesn't necessarily give you the details or the details of the actual indicators that he uses. And this now forces you to actually put in the work and test a trading system that you have developed. And that way you are now not reliant on what other people are saying, and you can find something that works for you, that you have tested, that you have validated, and you know it will be profitable over a series of time. And testing above all else is probably the most important takeaway of No Nonsense Forex. And it is actually very vital to be testing your trading strategies, whether it is No Nonsense Forex or not. Testing is critical. And finally, just for myself personally, in terms of what has changed after finding No Nonsense Forex, and that of course is I have recently become a prop trader, and I posted a video on this where I shared with you that I recently got hired with Maverick Trading. And although it's still early days in my prop trading career, I can truly say that I can now start taking trading very, very seriously, where I am now contracted out to a company where I can now trade their money. That is a bit surreal. So just when I was about to throw in the towel, I found VP. I found No Nonsense Forex, and it has quite literally changed my life. And it is because of No Nonsense Forex that I was able to go from a struggling trader to now a prop firm trader. So VP, if you're watching this, I would never actually understand what the incentive was for your videos. And there of course is a lot of skepticism when it comes to Forex trading gurus. However, VP, what I do understand is that you have put in the time, you have put in the effort to share your trading system with the world, where you have shared a completely different approach to trading with quite literally millions of people, where it is completely free. I'm pretty sure you didn't even run ads for the very first half of your video series. You don't milk YouTube. You're posting, if we're lucky, one video a month. You don't have a course to sell. And I know you do have a book, but that is completely optional. So I really can't put my finger on what the actual incentive was for you to create these videos. And I think it's probably best that we don't know. So VP, I truly appreciate all the effort that you have put into your videos, sharing them with the world over many years. You have truly changed lives, and I can say that you have changed mine. I don't know how I could ever repay you, but VP, if you are watching this, all I can say is thank you.